What's up guys, Stevie J here, Beyond the Details. I have another unboxing slash first impression review on an item here. This morning what I have for you today is going to be the Galaxy 4 Classic. This is the 46 millimeter variant, which is the largest one that they do make. It is not LTE. It'll be paired to my Galaxy Fold 3. I currently have the iWatch on because for work purposes. I do also have a iPhone 12 Pro Max. I was gonna get a 13, but haven't got it, not in stock yet, but eventually I'll have that unboxing also. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut the two tape, excuse me. First thing I noticed when I got it was how light the box was. It was extremely light, to the point where I was like, man, did they give me one that there was nothing in it? Okay, let's go ahead and see what's, wow. I hate ripping things. Before I get to that, let's see what it comes with. Okay. Manual scrunched up. You do have your standard wireless charging cable, which I'm sure that the same one from my iWatch will be able to be used. And that's it. That's all that's in here. I'll put this to the side. I would assume it has a little juice in it. Then you have the watch. Nothing else here. Take this off. iWatch Series 6. I'm not sure if this is the button to turn it on or not. It is. So I like to do this live, which this is going to be the first startup, and we're going to see how easy it is to pair with the Fold 3. Yeah, so we'll see how easy it is to pair. This is the 46 millimeter variant, as I said, just so we're not just sitting here not talking about anything. This is the 46 millimeter variant. It's really self-explanatory. You know, rotating bezels. If you want to know about everything that's inside as far as the chipset, how much memory and whatnot, it's very simple for you to just look that up. Okay, so welcome, swipe up. Immediately what I noticed was that it pops up on the phone, which was just as quick as the iPhone. So I will connect. Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Okay, confirm, because it's the same number that I see here. It says check your phone to complete the setup. As you see, it's going fast. 101 megabyte download, which is relatively small. Okay, sign in. I'm going to skip this for now. Okay. Just trying to get through this as fast as possible. Again, this is an unedited video. I want you guys to see how fast, it is to go ahead and be up and running with this without any type of editing with the video. Getting Google account info. This might take a few minutes. All it says on the phone is check your phone to complete setup. As you see, it's still setting up. Okay, that's my email address. Use lock that. Okay, copying accounts. As of now, this looks like a lot faster than the iWatch. I mean, the iWatch takes a while on the first boot up, to get going. It's not 20-30 minutes or anything, but it's not as fast as what you would think as far as how quick is this going to be ready to be used. So we're about 4.5 minutes into the video, and looks like we're about to wrap up the installation, or should I say the setup of the Galaxy Watch to the Fold. Funny thing is, the main reason I'm doing this is for this, which is the Galaxy Buds Pro. I own a detailing business, so majority of the time what I'm using is my AirPods Pro. I actually much prefer the feel and the sound of the Galaxy Pros, but when I'm detailing, whether I'm in my shop or mobile, I don't like having my Fold on me. I would leave my Fold in the car or in my trailer or whatever. I just don't. Yeah, it's part of resistance, but I just don't. It's too expensive for me to want to go out there and just chance anything going wrong. So when I have my buds in, I'm not a big fan of having to go and touch my ear, especially when my hands are wet and whatnot. So I have the screen protector coming for the watch, but pretty much you might think it's funny. I only got this to be able to control the music without having to have my phone on me. Okay, so the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, battery's at 14%. You have apps, which obviously I have to go through. Let me get this a little closer. You have the watch faces, where you're able to change your different watch faces. Again, I haven't used any of this. I've never had a Galaxy Watch, but looks pretty much copy and paste for the iWatch. And find my watch, whatnot. So let's go to the watch. Okay, focus. It says start. Swipe down from the top of the panel to the quick. Okay. Swipe up to go back to the watch faces. Okay. For app, swipe up from the bottom edge. See, that was a little glitchy there. Tap to open this notification. Swipe right from the edge to go back. Okay, yeah, I'm not really interested in doing this little Alright. Okay, so I actually want to put it on. My wife isn't a fan of the round screen under it. That's actually one of the main reasons why I even got it. I actually like that versus the square of the iWatch, maybe because I've just had almost every iteration, so it's getting kind of old on me. I did try the Active 2 and ended up returning it. I just didn't like it, just put it vaguely. First thing I noticed about this watch is I really like how it looks on my hand. Like, really. Let me go ahead. It looks much more natural than the iWatch, than the Apple Watch, excuse me. Yeah, I am pleasantly surprised with how this is. I know you have the rotating bezels in order to quickly get over. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, because there's only like 9% battery left, I'm going to go ahead and charge this up. And then, this is the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and I'm pleasantly surprised.